Hey, it's Eric with Mid-Ohio Valley Anchor Realty. Whether you're looking for single floor living or looking to downsize or perhaps even your first home, this is the house for you. This 2-bedroom and 2-bath house has just over 1,300 square feet of living space and many new additions, including a new hot water tank, new carpet throughout, a new deck off the back of the home, new kitchen cabinets, and a new central air conditioning system. Don't miss this chance to make this house your home.